In this video, I will show you how to use the latest version of MATLAB 2023a online for free, that is without any license key or activation key. First of all, open up your browser and search here MATLAB 2023. Click on this link, scroll down. Here you can see the new products. Two new MATLAB products has been added in MATLAB 2023a, C2000 microcontroller block set and MATLAB test. These are the major updates. Here you can see MATLAB release highlights. You can import data in live scripts. Now you can step through a simulation block by block. You can visualize aircraft and rotorcraft using Unreal Engine and Cesium Ion. You will also see Python interface in MATLAB. You can use Python objects as keys in MATLAB dictionary. You can also integrate Python functions with Simulink. Now there is no need to extract data. You can perform calculations directly in tables and timetables. Now you will also see a test browser in the MATLAB, where you can run all MATLAB unit tests. Fixing code issues is also made easier using Code Analyzer app and fix function. Okay, so let's now download MATLAB 2023a. Click on download now. Come on here, click on this create account button. In case if you already have a MathWorks account, then click on this sign in button. Otherwise, click on this create account button. Enter your email address in this box. I am entering my email address. After entering your email, click on this next button. Click on continue anyway. Now create a password. Make sure your password have at least 8 characters. It must contain one uppercase letter and one lowercase letter and one number. That is any digit from 0 to 9. Again type your password right here. Click on the next button. A save password pop-up will open up on the right. Whenever you got this pop-up for any site, you always have to click on this never button. MathWorks has sent an email to you. Let's go to the mailbox and check the mail. For that, I am opening a new tab right here by clicking on this plus sign. Now click on this small Gmail link. This is the email MathWorks has sent to me. Click on this. Copy the 6-digit code from here. Just double click on this and press Ctrl C on your keyboard. And it is copied. Let's go back to the MathWorks website. Enter the copied code here. Just press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Check this online service agreement. I accept the online service agreement. Click on next. Enter your first name, your last name. You can also skip this. Select your location. Click on this box. Now just start typing your country on keyboard and you will find your country, which best describes you. If you are a student, then select student. If you are a teacher or researcher in academia, then select this option, or you can choose other options. Let me select student. Now select your department. Computer science. What describes your role? If you have not entered graduation, then click on this pre-college option. If you are doing graduation, then you have to select this undergraduate option. And if you are graduated and doing post-graduation, then select this graduate level option. If you are doing PhD, then select postdoctoral. Let me select graduate level. Scroll down. Are you at least 13 years or older? If yes, then click on yes. If no, then click on no. The next button is not working. It means the last name is not optional. It is mandatory. So here I will write my last name also. After filling all the fields, you have to click on this next button. Select the location of your school or university. Next, write the name of your school or university. I have written my college name. Let's click on Next. Now click on Get a Trial. Is this request on behalf of a faculty member or research advisor? No. How will you use your trial? Select MATLAB Essentials. Then Submit. And the free trial has been started. We can either use MATLAB Online or we can install MATLAB on our desktop. Click here on Open MATLAB Online. This is the MATLAB. This is command window. Here we will write our MATLAB programs. You can full screen this window. For this, first click here on URL and then press function F11 on your keyboard. Do the same to exit. Let's create a new MATLAB script. Right click anywhere on this area, then New and then Script. Write the name of your script. I am writing AMP Shift Keying Lab. Press enter. Double click on this MATLAB script to open this here in the workspace. Let's write some MATLAB code. I am pasting some MATLAB code here. To run the MATLAB program, go to the Editor tab and then click on Run. And here is the output figure. You can simply screenshot this figure. The keyboard shortcut is Windows Shift S. Or you can also save this. Click here on Save. You will find this option inside the Figure tab. Okay, Save As. You can save as either PNG or PDF. Let's save as PNG. You can write the name of the figure here. Then you can select location. Click Save. If you found this video helpful, then please comment which MATLAB video should I upload next.